The open source community, a collaborative environment that fuels much of the modern web, is facing a growing concern: sabotage. Recent reports suggest attackers may be targeting popular open source projects in an attempt to disrupt critical software used by millions. This raises a critical question: how can we ensure the security of open source software and protect the projects that underpin the digital lives? Open source software is code developed collaboratively by programmers worldwide. Anyone can contribute, review, and improve the code, leading to innovative and often widely used software, from JavaScript libraries that power websites to the operating systems running on our computers. Open source software plays a vital role in the digital landscape. Recent reports detail attempts to infiltrate open source projects by making suspicious updates or requesting control of core functionalities. These actions, if successful, could introduce vulnerabilities or even render the software unstable. The potential consequences are significant, as compromised open source projects can disrupt critical infrastructure and impact countless users. The open source community thrives on collaboration and transparency. Here are some ways to bolster security. First is to increase vigilance. Developers and maintainers should be extra cautious when reviewing code contributions or access requests. Looking for unusual activity or scrutinizing code changes can help identify potential threats. We should consider multi-factor authentication. Implementing strong authentication methods can prevent unauthorized access to projects' repositories and codebases. In addition, we really need to consider security audits. Regularly conducting security audits of open source projects can identify vulnerabilities before they're exploited. And lastly, we need to focus on community education. Raising awareness about potential sabotage attempts within the open source community can encourage developers to be more vigilant and report suspicious activity. Open source software is a cornerstone of the digital world. By focusing these security measures and fostering a culture of collaboration, the open source community can ensure the continued development of secure and reliable software for everyone. As users of open source software, you can also play a role. 1. You need to stay updated. Keep your software updated with the latest patches and security fixes. 2. You need to support open source projects. Donations and contributions, both financial and technical, help maintain and secure open source software. And 3. We need to spread awareness. We need to educate others about the importance of open source security and the potential threats it faces. By working together, users, developers, security experts, and software engineering firms like Intuitive can ensure a safe and thriving open source ecosystem for the benefit of all.